HDS, sir. And how are you this afternoon? All righty then. I have a package for you.
Sounds broken.
Most likely, sir. I'll bet it was something nice, though. Now, this is an insurance form. If you'll just sign here, here, and here, initial here, and print your name here, we'll get the rest of the forms out to you as soon as we can. That's a lovely dog you have there, sir. Do you mind if I pet him?
I don't give a rat's ass.
Oh.
Ooh, boo. Ooh, boo boo doo doo. Zoo boo 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 doo boo. Ooh boo boo doo.
That's fine, sir. I can finish the rest.
Apparently the kidnappers came in through the back gate. They said some kind of a...
Four-wheel drive van, loaded from the rear.
Oh.
Hey, Roger, how you holding up?
Well, if I look like I'm walking funny, it's because I got 24 reporters up my ass. They've been asking me about Snowflake all morning. Who's he?
Roger Predactor, meet Ace Ventura. He's our pet detective.
Hi. Nice to meet you. Came very highly recommended by Martha Metz.
Martha Metz. Oh, yeah, the bitch.
What?
Pekingese, hyperactive, lost in Highland Park area. She was half dead when I found her. Is that the tank? Excuse me. Cops drain it?
Yes, this morning.
If I'm not back in 5 minutes, just wait longer.
Are you sure your date is right? It's been an awfully long time.
Who, Tom?
Do not go in there. Woo!
Sorry, Mr. Ace. I have the plumbing checked immediately.
Be sure that you do. If I'd been drinking out of the toilet, I might have been killed.
I'm sorry again, Mr. Ace.
What are you doing? I'm sorry, Ron.
What is she doing?
Ace, what are... Let's go! Definitely. Replacement kicker having a great year. Ready for Super Bowl All-Star kicker boasts.
Field goal, sails wide, Dolphins lose Super Bowl.
The kick heard round the world. That was Finkel. The Dolphins lost by 1 point. Poor guy.
Poor guy with a motive, baby. Where's he now?
Last I heard, he went back to his hometown, Collier County. You are going to drop me off before you go, aren't you?
No way. You shouldn't be left alone right now. It might not be safe at your apartment.
What do you suggest? Larry.
I'm ready to go in, Coach. Just give me a chance. I know there's a lot riding on it, but it's all psychological. Just got to stay in a positive frame of mind. I'm going to execute a button hook pattern super slow-mo. Let's see that in an instant replay.